sunflowers! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I am in Ike's account and Ike is in my account. Be an adult, Ike. Just be an adult. There we go. Okay. Okay. So guys, today we are going to trade one color challenge, but in each other. Why did you give me a soccer ball? But in each other's account. Okay, so before we start the video, click that subscribe button and like button. If you click the subscribe button, that will be very nice. So yeah, let's just get on the video. Can you stop dancing? Okay, let's start. Okay, so I keep pick a color.
I'll choose the color yellow since your favorite color is yellow.
Oh, I'll pick blue since your favorite color is blue, right? Okay, Ike's. Oh my God! Wait, she have 120. Okay.
Hello, Doug. What's up?
Okay, stop it. Okay, let's. Oh, I'm stuck. Okay, trade me. Trade me. Okay, so you want something yellow.
Teresa and everyone, I'm just gonna talk in the chat now because there is like a little bit of commotion in the background and it's kind of killing me. So yeah.
Okay, she's gonna talk in chat. Okay, let's start. She can still hear me, but I can't hear her. Okay, hello. Yellow. Oh, something happened. Okay, so let's start yellow. Oh no, slot is not a yellow. B. That's the only yellow she have. I feel bad for her now. Does she have anything else yellow? She have a star yellow. Hello. Okay. Let's see. There's not that much yellow she have. How about pet wear? I have almost all the things she have. I think that's it. I can't find anything else yellow. Is that blue? Is that blue? Okay, I don't know. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, let's accept. Because I only saw these two yellow. Okay. I can accept. Finally. Okay. So, now. Pick a color. Hello, say something. Brown. Okay, I will pick. What should I pick? I will pick white. Okay. I'll pick white. Let's. Oh no! No! Oh no! Okay. White. She have kind of a lot of white. I'll give her, but I'll give myself a bunny. Oh, sorry. I mean, brown, like sloth. A monkey. Wait, I don't really like or want a monkey, but whatever. She have an author. A buffalo. Wait, actually no. I'll just keep the sloth. Oh, that's brown. That's brown. Sled is a brown color. You have quite many browns. A cracked egg is a brown color. I'll just take it. No, I'm not gonna take Teresa. Okay, let's put back that crack. What is she? You're taking too long. Okay. Let's trade again. You're just taking too long for me. Sunflower. She's crazy. Okay. Sloth, beaver, egg, and butterfly. Okay, we got. She just said sunflowers. She's crazy. Okay. I accept. I am scared. She took away white. Not white. Hello? I accidentally pick a color. Can I get your backpack? Okay. Pick. Now we're gonna draw that back. I think she wants her pets back. What? Okay. Candy. Snowy. Stop Puma. So we trade our pets back because she does not like what I have for pets. I think she's gonna go now. Okay. We need to trade again. Okay, save. Toy this one. Soccer ball oil. Oh wait, a stroller. Anything else? That's it. That's it. Okay. I do not know what to do now. Hello? If she's gone, we're gonna have to stop the video. Hello? Hello? Hello. Nope, that's the end of this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and don't poop your pants. Okay, I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to make sure to like, subscribe, and have a big thumbs up. Can she stop saying poop? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to make thumbs up, and yeah. Bye, sunflowers!